MaddyMakes, a channel where I make stuff. And this week I'm going to be making oven mitts for my friend Charlotte. She's a really shitty pair of oven mitts, and we were baking together and they melt whenever you touch something hot. And so I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to try quilting and then also try making her like a really cool gift, because I think she's really cool. The process was pretty simple. I've never quilted anything before and it was like really easy to figure out. You just put the free quilting foot on and then you just kind of get going. The materials you need for this, I'm gonna list on the side here. It wasn't too expensive, says me after spending $80 on a project, but yeah, it was really fun. It only took a day, really beginner friendly. I made my own pattern and I'm gonna just let you guys enjoy.
So Phyllis is basically saying, hey, Michael, I know you did a lot to help the office this year, but I only care about you a homemade oven mitt's worth.
I had a memory pop up as I was making this out of this fabric. My mom actually used this same silvery fabric to make a fish costume, and we have like a hilarious series of photos of all of us wearing it, and I'm gonna let you guys enjoy a picture of me in it now. Next, you want to cut 4 layers of the cotton pieces and make sure they're mirrored. Then you just want to make a sandwich of cotton, insulating fabric, and then cotton on top, pin it together, and then sew all of the layers together. And now to start quilting. I just chose to do squiggles patterns because that seemed like the easiest, but you can kind of do whatever you want. Okay, craft intermission. This footage looks so fun and like very satisfying, high speed, just like whipping, but my hands hurt so bad after doing this. Only after suffering through doing this for like 4 hours or however long it took me to do this did my mom tell me that there are actually quilter's gloves to make it like less hard on you. I sound like a grandma. Anyways, there's a tool that makes this way easier, and she only told me after I'd suffered for like 4 hours, so thanks, Mom. Oh, it's not a good sound. I've been ignoring. Okay.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
Okay, craft intermission. I started sewing the gloves and I got into like a really good like groove, and then my bobbin ran out. Now it's like tragic. And so I had to redo the bobbin, and then I did it half-assed, and then it got caught in my sewing machine and it made a big fuss. So now I simply must sit on my bed and think about my life and about how I fucked up. To make turning the oven mitts right side out easier, you can make these little slits along the curved edges just to make sure nothing gets bunched and weird. Oh my god, I love it. I'm obsessed. It's so cute. Look at them. Like this? And these? Oh my god! Okay, I'm gonna hem it and then that's it. So, huge news. They're done. Look at them. Ooh, 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 ooh. Just gonna pick up a pan. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh my god, I love them. They're 2 different colors and I'm obsessed. One starts, they're both quilted and I'm obsessed. I may have to start picking up quilting. Hello. I just picked up a hot pan with the oven mitts and I could feel the heat through the mitt, but nothing melted and it didn't burn my hand. It was just like warm. It's not like burning her hand or melting it, so it's better than what Charlotte currently has. This project was kind of sick because it only took a day. Like usually the stuff I make for this this channel takes me like a whole weekend or like sometimes a week. So yeah, really beginner friendly, great introduction to quilting. I'm kind of obsessed. I'm kind of sold on the idea that I'm gonna become a quilter. I don't know, we'll see. I don't know. I can't pick up another hobby. But anyways, yeah, catch you guys later. Okay, that looks so ugly. Here. What are the rating out of 10?
Wait, I'm rating them out of 10?
Yeah.
I give them this many.
Okay.